Meaning of fermentation.
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 Fermentation. Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugar to acids, gases, or alcohol. This process occurs in the absence of oxygen and is carried out by microorganisms such as yeast and bacteria. The end result of fermentation depends on the specific microorganism involved and the conditions under which fermentation occurs. For example, the fermentation of sugars by yeast can produce alcohol, while the fermentation of lactose by certain bacteria can produce lactic acid. Fermentation has many practical uses, including the production of food and beverages such as bread, beer, and yogurt.